So I'm walking back from Salmon Lake. It's an obvious winter wonderland here in Oakland, Maine. This is the first blizzard of 2011. You can see cars are just down and out here, trying to make it down the tote road. It's coming on darkness here. The wind is about 30 miles an hour. You can see the trees move. And it's dropping about 3 inches an hour out here in Maine. So if you're thinking about relocating here to Maine, it's one of the most beautiful pieces of property in the country. But cars get stuck, trees get snowed, and kids have a good time.